everyone, I'm Hannah and welcome back to my channel. This footage is from my March Plan With Me video. If you haven't seen it already, the link can be found in the description box below. Today I will be sharing my weekly bullet journal spreads for March following the St. Patrick's Day theme. This is a simple and cute spread that only takes up one page of your bullet journal. It is perfect for those who don't have extremely long to-do lists and want to save space in their journal. If you're someone who needs a bit more space to write down your tasks, keep watching. There is a second weekly spread later in this video that provides more space for you to write. I will be using these two different shades of green for these spreads. These two in particular are the Tombow Dual Brush Pen in 245 and the Zebra Mild Liner in Mild Green. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. I also post my bullet journal spreads on Instagram at hannahxfifi.journal, so make sure to check that out. Link is in the description box below. Each of these boxes for the days of the week are all 12 by 8. Here I'm making leaf borders at each corner of the page to really bring everything together. Trust me, it looks really good once it's finished. This is the final result for the one-page weekly spread. I also used the spread for week 2 and 3, and this is how it looked like. Now onto a 2-page weekly spread for those who need more space for their daily task. I'm just starting off with highlighting where the dates will be going in before I actually draw in the boxes. Each box is 12 by 17, so there is plenty of room for you to write. If you noticed, in this video I wasn't talking a lot like I usually do, and it was because I wanted you guys to just sit back and relax and watch. Now, thank you so much for reaching the end of this video, and this is the final result for the 2-page weekly spread.